This brand is made by Unitary Products Group, which is a part of Johnson Controls Company, but the units are only available through their dealer network in the USA and Canada. The units include standard manual humidity controls, but optional automatic controls are offered, and the humidifiers are backed by an average warranty. The S1BP 5000 MT and S1BP 6000 MT models are basic bypass flow-through humidifiers, while the S1BP 4000 MT model is a water-saving unit with a 17-gallon per day capacity. The S1FP 7000 MT model is fan-powered and can provide up to 18 gallons per day. This brand receives an overall 3-star budget pick rating from HvacRepairGuy.